Hey guys, it's Steph with Steph's Adventures in Fat Finds, and we have an unboxing from Saks today. And so, let's get right into it. I have already broken the seal on the box. I've not opened the box, so we're gonna pop it down here. Whoa, boy. Okay. And these are the new Alezander McQueen. When I say new, they are new to me. A lovely Saks Fifth Avenue box. I love you, Saks. Come on, box. Let's see what the rest of the box says. There. Oh guys, these are the boots. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay. If I can get in the box, we'll check them out. Oh my goodness. What is this? It's a bunch of tissue. Okay. And nicely tissued. Nice little logo there on the side, on the back. On the side there, it's upside down, I'm sure, but super cool. Super cool. Glitter doesn't just rub off. Yay. Nice, good, solid rug sole. So for when it rains, because it's raining a lot, and I don't want to wear rain boots all the time. These are really cute.